Mix a small amount of water and sand in a flat tray. Press an item into the wet sand about 2 inches into the sand. Mix the plaster of Paris to a creamy consistency and pour it into the print. Let the plaster set for a couple of hours until it hardens completely. Carefully remove the print from the sand and rinse off the excess sand. Scientists often make plaster casts of many different fossils or impressions left by ancient plants and animals in order to preserve and examine them later.